Let's say we have selected 34. Lock it, it is locked. Now the flow rates, simply change the flow rates again, unlock it if you want to increase the flow or decrease the flow. We have unlocked it in adults till 25 single increment, and after that 5 liter per minute increment. So let's say we have selected 45 liter per minute for that matter. Now locked it is locked. FiO2 with the external source of oxygen, with the flow meter we can change. This simply it will be changed. When we will be rotating this, now you can see the flow has increased. You all can feel in your hand.
What's this?
Yes, I will just explain it now. So now we will just add first the patient interface now, because this is universal. This is same for the adult and for pediatric. The thing will be different is the patient interface. This is the nasal cannula equivalent. There are 3 sizes available in this: small, medium and large. This one is the medium one, and all 3 sizes are color coded also, so that we can simply see. If it is blue, it is medium. If it is orange, it is small. If it is green, it is large. We can simply see.
This is for pediatric.
No, this is for the adult. This is for the adult. For pediatric, they are different. I will just first adult mode we will. Now you see. Now you can see again. You see the flow.
The nostrils is being fixed.
Yes, in nostrils. The criteria which we choose,
But
the
tell me
50%.
one thing.
Yes, please.
Suppose we don't have oxygen source at particular location.
Right,
We are using this machine.
right,
We are using oxygen through room air.
right.
Can it increase the oxygen saturation from 80 to 95?
No,
Practically?
no. With the help of cylinder only. We need
Yeah,
some external
yeah,
source of
yeah,
oxygen. Not central line is not necessary.
Right.
Any external source of oxygen is needed. to
That is it. And in this cases, what's the difference between using this machine and not using this machine?
Yes. If we don't use this machine, what option do we have? Only the cylinders. With the cylinder, we can give 100% oxygen to the patient.
Okay.
That will be 100% oxygen, right? And that because in the cylinder, the oxygen is stored at a very low temperature and it is very dry also. So, if a patient who is not well, if he has to breathe those gases, that oxygen, which is almost 4 degrees Celsius, stored at 4 degrees Celsius, because in the cylinder it is stored at that temperature, and the humidity will be less than 2 liter.
No, humidifier we are using in the regulator.
Okay. Let's say, but that regulator takes room air only.
Yes.
If it is room air is too cold, then it will be taking. So when this air will be passing through the trachea or through the airways, it will be deteriorating this condition, patient condition. It will be very difficult for the patient, because we have seen when we give the oxygen through mask to the patient, sometimes patient removes it for some time and then he again places it because he is not feeling comfortable. But once you will be giving this, and from this you can change all the settings, it will be comfortable. Patient, it will give psychometric effect also to the patient, that he is getting some good like treatment. Yes, they are getting oxygen from oxygen cylinder, you can directly give, but this is how to keep your airways potent. When we will be giving through cylinder, there will be so much of suctioning.
Range is wide, na?
Yes,
From 5 liters up to 60 liters per minute. Range is
from 2 liter
to 60 liters.
to 60 liter.
In oxygen regulator, the range may not be so.
That,
Wide
that,
range.
that can be the difference also, because this is high flow cannula, that's why. And we recommend that this cannula size should 50% occlude the size of nostrils. There should be some space available for breathing out the carbon dioxide. So it cleans the respiratory system. So that's how it is done. Different sizes are available. It is very comfortable. This can be hold to the patient dress, whatever patient is wearing, and he will simply place it in. You can just feel the softness of this strap. There will not be any pressure. Patient will comply with the therapy, because but I just asked that whether are we having any ventilator also, because sometimes when we give oxygen therapy to the patient from ventilator, there also patient feels very uncomfortable. They remove it because of the pressure. There is so much of pressure on their nose, on their head, because of this machine and the patient interfaces. But these are very slow. So end of the day, patient should comply with the therapy. We can give best, but some because of the leaks, that therapy will not do. But there is no chance of leaks. So this is the way. We can increase and decrease it to any level. Now I will just shift it for the pediatric patient also. This is the for adult mode. I will just remove it first. Okay, just one thing which I forgot to mention. The leak, the blockage. Let's say the patient is on this therapy and because of the reason, if it is blocked, you can see the flow is getting down and it will show some alarm. It will sense, check for blockage. It will show. If there will be any alarm, it will show. And once it is released, it will show whether the blockage can be here also, can be here also. If it is done, it will automatically go.
Basically, it's an augmentation of the delivery system.
Yes.
You have the source, oxygen or central line, whatever it is.
Yes.
With this, we have the range of variability.
Yes. And dual
Increasing or
function.
decreasing the flow
Yes.
rate, maintaining the temperature.
Yes.
So some sort of modifier.
Because end of the day, the patient compliance is must. Why we have managed this? Because
You have to give us some user result. I mean,
yes.
in particular patient, this was used for such and such hours.
Mhm.
The result was this.
Yes. So
From 80 to 99%. So please give us some trial result.
yes, as I was just mentioning, this is the latest trial on pediatric patient of almost 28 days of age till 12 years of age.
Okay.
This is the
Now
latest.
show in the baby.
Yes, in the pediatric one. So first we will change the temperature settings because here the flow is very high. Maybe we can't give that much high flow, so we will just change the mode itself directly first. So for
What will be
changing,
the harmful effects if you give high flow rate? Veterina? What can happen to the baby if we give higher flow rate than the recommended? At first we have pneumothorax.
that
Immediate तो आंसर है तो ताप आते बाकी
सबसे पहले तो लंग्स पे एकदम फ्लो हो जाएगा and it will damage.
pneumothorax हो जाते हैं.
So it will have the last settings. But whenever we are opening this machine, it will show us the last setting when we use it on the last patient. So that's why it is 25 liter. This is the maximum flow for a pediatric patient can be given. So it is good. Now we will attach the pediatric one. There are 5 sizes available in pediatric. It is showing only 3. There are small, extra small, medium, large and extra large. 5 sizes are available depending on the patient. And we can simply take this while selecting this, that whether it is occluding in size or not. Because when we are having any baby in our ICU, we can take this box and from a distance we can measure that whether the size is perfect or which size is perfect for the baby. So that delivery should be good. So I am taking this out and connect it. Same. Now it has become for the pediatric. Now we can feel the flow also here. We can simply
Fix it.
yes. Because this size is big for this, but yes, this way it will be delayed. This has the wiggle pads.
Now how do we
Yes. Because in this we will be removing this. This is a tape. We will be just cleaning this tip, and or stick it can be stick so that it will be in place, and this will be in baby's nostrils. This way. And when these are stick, if the baby rotate his head also, this will not come out. And it is very comfortable. It will not give harm any baby also. There will not be any blockage also. In
But
case
it is disposable for each patient.
yes, for each patient. This is all disposable. Yes. After every patient, we have to discard this, discard this, discard this, and this is disposable. This is permanent.
And this here?
Yeah, this is disposable. This is disposable.
Patient
Yes.
specific.
Yes, patient specific. Patient specific in the sense this is universal. This will come in a one box. In this, we have to attach the patient.
For each patient, you have to use a different set.
The MRP wise, the MRP of one set of check for new target flow. because it is blocking. This is artificial, huh? So that's why it is showing closed. It is showing closed. So I just need it.
Hello?
ये चेंज करना है
Hello?